then clearly your product is not good to start out with. Excuse me, where's my commission? They look nothing alike. Yours sincerely, Sophie. Oh my god, no wait, I think it is a hair. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have got another episode of Soph Does Lawsuits, apparently. Unfortunately, I've made a few of these kind of videos in the past where random brands that no one has heard of has stolen my footage and used it in their adverts when I'm not even using their product. I don't know why this happens, I don't know how this happens. This has been happening since pretty much I started making YouTube videos, since I was about 18, 19. And it has happened to so many people that I know that also make videos online, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube videos. It's pretty much guaranteed that if you have a video that goes semi-viral about a new breakthrough product, especially like mascaras and full coverage foundations, it's almost guaranteed that some of that footage by someone is going to get stolen and end up in an ad for a product that you haven't even tested. And it's happened again. Another random brand has stolen my footage of me applying mascara in a TikTok and they're using it in their ad. So I bought the mascara that my face is being used to advertise and we're gonna try it today. Let's just get into it, shall we? Not only is it illegal what these brands are doing in stealing other people's footage to use in their ads when you can quite clearly see that we're not using their mascara, the thing that is the most frustrating for me is that I don't want anyone that follows me to see that advert and think, oh, Sophie's using that mascara, Soph loves that mascara, she's in the ad for it, I'm gonna buy it, and then they end up with a product that I've not even tested, I'm not promoting, I am not putting my face behind, and then what if that person is to then go and have a reaction to that product or something and they've bought it because they've seen my face testing it? That is where the main problem is. And also it's just a scam. I'm sorry, but if you're having to use someone else's product to fake an advert for your own product, then clearly your product is not good to start out with, because surely you would have confidence in your own product that you would be using it in your own advert. Ugh! It is such a scam. It's so frustrating. And over the past couple of years, I have seen myself and my footage be stolen for a color changing foundation, which yes, I did test a color changing foundation on my channel, but it's not the one that's in the adverts. And even if it was, I didn't give them permission to use my footage in their ads. Like, excuse me, where's my commission? I've seen my footage used from a full coverage foundation that I tested, multiple different mascaras. I think I've done a whole video on that one. Also the lash lift that I did on myself during lockdown, even the fake Dyson Airwrap that I tested a couple weeks ago and it literally nearly blew up on me in the video. I've seen that footage going around in an advert. So basically what I'm trying to say is, I know obviously like people that see these adverts, only a tiny percentage of people that have watched those adverts actually will know that it's me and know that I'm not using that product. But if you are watching this now and if you have seen any adverts of me and it's a product that you don't think I've tested, you haven't heard of the brand before, then it is probably fake. And please, if you see any of these ads, comment on them, report them, email the people, report the post, report the account. But don't get me wrong, there are definitely brands that I have given permission to be in their ads for, but they are mostly brands that I've done paid collaborations with, and you've probably actually heard of them, like Revolution and L'Oreal, Maybelline, Kiko. I have tried to get in touch, but it is very difficult to get to the bottom of who actually created the advert in the first place. And let's dig a little deeper. So today's culprit is a brand called Glam Color, but it's not really a brand. It's a brand that is available on wholesaler websites like AliExpress and Alibaba. Is it Alibaba? But there are tons and tons of different websites all over the world. I've seen some UK companies use this advert. I've seen some European companies, like somebody sent me one the other day from Germany, the US, using this same advert that somebody has put together. I don't know if it was Glam Color. I don't know if it was like one of these particular stockists and websites that have put this ad together, but it is the same advert that is just going round and round and round on all of these different random websites that a lot of the ads don't even have an Instagram account attached to their page. The ad will come up on Instagram, you'll try to message the account. Well, I tried to message the accounts to be like, excuse me, take this down, take me out of your ad, but it says you can't message them and that they only have a Facebook account, and then you go through to their Facebook account and it doesn't let you contact them, which is suspicious in the first place. So a lot of these ads I haven't even been able to comment on, I haven't even been able to reply back to them. All I've been able to do is just report them. I will play the advert for you on the screen because they've also stolen a lot of other people's footage in this particular advert that I know for a fact most of us are using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and most of the people in that ad did a paid ad for Maybelline, including myself. That was a TikTok ad that I did with them like last summer, and not only do I have rights to that footage, Maybelline also have rights to that footage. So maybe I should get onto Maybelline and we should sue them together. You can even see in the advert the packaging of the Maybelline Sky High, and their mascara looks absolutely absolutely nothing like it. This is the Glam Colour mascara in question. The Glam Colour Living Colourfully mascara. This is their mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High. They look nothing alike. So to be honest, I have got no idea how they're getting away with this because look, they literally don't look the same at all. I have tried and tried to contact all of these companies and I have sent some emails, I've sent some DMs, I've left some comments and I've had no response. I don't even know if some of the brands were scared maybe into taking down the advert because they don't even have an Instagram page. So it's not like I could just go and check back up on them. It was just a sponsored ad that would pop up on Instagram, but they don't even have Instagram. It was like done via Facebook. But in situations where some of these ads popped up and I was actually able to find some sort of contact address for the website, I did send a few strongly worded emails and I will read one of them out to you now. This one was for a Facebook page that was called eternalmeteor.com. I can't even find their Facebook page anymore. So I titled this, Using Footage Without Permission. To whom it may concern. I have recently been sent screenshots attached of your Facebook and Instagram ad for 2.5mm thin brush head mascara, which is using stolen footage of me. I am not using your mascara in this footage. I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara and I have not given permission for you to use the footage. Maybelline currently own rights to the footage of me, so please remove me from the ad immediately before I pursue legal action and assistance from a lawyer. I can also quite clearly see that the other girls used in the footage are also not using the mascara available for purchase on your website, as the brush looks entirely different. I'd suggest you take down the advert as it is false advertising and goes against the Consumer Protection from Unfair Trading Regulations law. Yours sincerely, Sophie. And I mean, I now can't find their Facebook page, so whether or not they shut down, who knows, but if you see any of these popping up, just please report them. I had an automated email back saying, thank you for contacting us. We've received the email. We're really sorry that we're off work right now. Our working time is from 10 till 7, Monday to Friday. Don't worry, we will arrange a dedicated customer service to solve your problem within 12 hours. We will try our best to help you. Have a nice day. And then did I get a reply after that? No. And I think actually some of the brands that I contacted via Instagram ended up just blocking me. So it is so hard to get to the bottom of who actually made the advert. Was it Glam Colour themselves? I don't know, because they don't have an Instagram page, they don't have a Facebook page, they don't have a website from what I can see, and they don't have a customer services support. By the way, there is an Instagram and Twitter page that I think is just called Glam Colour, but it seems to be like a UK brand that was like a small brand from years ago. I don't think it's that one because all the products are different. I don't think that's this, so don't go and spam that one. But I decided that we would see what all the hype was about, and I bought one of the mascaras. But the reason that this video has taken so long is because the first time I ordered it, it just didn't show up. I ordered from an eBay seller that said it was based in the UK and that the mascara would be here within 5 days. Because one, I didn't want to give my money to one of the Facebook page brands that was using my face. And two, it's literally the same product. And it was one of the only sellers that I could find that said it was based in the UK. Didn't show up. Just didn't show up. Messaged the seller, no reply. Ended up having to go through eBay because I requested a refund. Seller didn't give it to me, so it ended up going through PayPal. eBay gave me a refund, all sorted. Ordered another one. Different seller. Warning, do not buy this. Terrible, terrible brand. Let's just zoom you in. So I think it cost me like £7 or £8. Let's open it up and is this supposed to be a fibre mascara or is there someone else's eyelash on the end of this? Okay, wait, I think it's a fibre mascara. Excuse me. Excuse me. I think it's a fibre. Is it? What is that? Oh my god, no, wait, I think it is a hair. Let me just dip it in and see if... No. Not cool. Not cool. This is not... Right, well, the brush is really skinny. If this is good, I'm gonna be really pissed off because then I'll be like, well, then why don't you just use your own damn mascara in your own adverts and actually pay some models to use it instead of stealing other people's footage? This is so weird because the brush is so skinny and it's just sort of like flicking. It feels like I'm putting glue in my eyelashes, like it's really sticky. Can you sort of see this, how it's like, I'm guessing that's how you're able to extend it so much. Can I zoom you in even more? There we go. Yeah, it's really sticky, like look. It feels like I'm putting glue in my eyelashes. Let's just try and separate them a bit to give it a fair chance. I don't know why it deserves a fair chance though, but it's just turning into a clumpy mess. Okay, right, let's really wiggle and try and... No! God. God. Look at the state of that. I've got about 4 eyelashes. It's just clumped them all together. Actually, yeah, look, there's like one here. Oh, look, isn't that nice? No, that was me doing this on purpose. Am I actually going to be able to separate them now? It is just so sticky. I'm just gonna comb through them, or try to comb through them. It just looks so clumpy. I mean, fair enough, you can probably make it look good, but it is not doing what the advert said that it would. Let's just try doing one coat and seeing what it looks like. It's just a bit odd. Okay, now that that's dried, let's try and add a second layer. Oh my god, look, it's literally just sticking to my eyelashes. Okay, I get it now. I get why they didn't use their own mascara in their own advert, because it's horrible. No, I was gonna say I'm gonna try and make it look decent, but anything more than one coat and your eyelashes just turn into spider legs. How dare you use my footage and my lashes to promote this? I'm gonna try my bottom lashes, because if anything, I feel like this would be quite a decent lower lash mascara. If you don't mind a bit of glow in your lashes, obviously. Guys, I've just realised that in putting this on, there were no fibres in it. This isn't a fibre mascara. It's just stringy. But at the beginning, there was a full-on hair in it. It was either an eyelash or like a really skinny eyelash-shaped piece of plastic. But that doesn't fill me with confidence, I'm not gonna lie. And James just called me, and while I've been on the phone for the past 5 minutes, I don't know if it's just a placebo thing in my head, but I feel like my eyes are starting to sting a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go take this off. Don't buy it unless you want your eyelashes to look like this. Let's add one more layer to my lower lashes just for the shits and gigs. No, it's just horrible. I hate it, and I'm so glad that I hate it. So, to conclude this video, number 1, don't buy this mascara from Glam Colour. Number 2, don't buy things off adverts on the internet unless you're absolutely sure that they are legit. Double check before buying something. Go over to that influencer's page, type in the name of the brand on YouTube next to their name, if they're a YouTuber. Scroll down their Instagram, see if they've done any content with this particular brand. See if the brand is legitimate. Do they have an Instagram page that's actually linked to something? Because the chances are, if it's a random brand that comes up on your Instagram as an ad, if they don't even have an Instagram page that you can click through to, or even like a decent looking website, it's probably too good to be true, and it's probably a scam. Be careful, don't get scammed. And Glam Colour, if you're watching this video, take me out of your ads. Stop stealing other people's footage. Use your own product in your own ads. Remove the other girls from your ads, because we're not even using your shitty mascara, and it's illegal. But like I say, it's incredibly hard to actually take some kind of legal action when the brand itself doesn't even have a website. They're just sold on like AliExpress and other random sites. So I'm not even too sure what I can do other than just keep reporting the ads that come up. And if you guys could do the same, that would be great. And if you do see me in an ad, look very carefully at the product that I'm holding. Does it match up to the pictures of what this brand is selling? Stay safe out there, everyone. Don't get scammed. Don't buy this mascara. I hope you guys are doing good. I know this was a bit of a different video, but it had to be done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.